Welcome to the Democratic Republic of Congo, a nation rich in history, diverse in population, and burgeoning with economic potential. Nestled in the heart of Africa, the DRC is a land of contrasts and adventure. With a population of over 89 million people, the DRC is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages, and cultures. Its history is as vast as its landscape, from the ancient kingdom of Congo to the colonial era and its journey to independence. Economically, the DRC is known for its mineral wealth, especially cobalt and copper, which are vital to the global technology industry. Despite its challenges, the DRC's economic landscape is evolving with new opportunities on the horizon. But perhaps one of the most thrilling aspects of the DRC is its wildlife. Embark on an unforgettable adventure to encounter the majestic silverback gorillas. These incredible creatures, found in the dense forests of Virunga National Park, offer a glimpse into the extraordinary biodiversity of this remarkable country. Join us as we explore the rich tapestry of the Democratic Republic of Congo, a land where history, culture, and nature converge in the most captivating ways. I'm sure you've heard the news about Kinshasa, the city that never sleeps in the heart of Africa. If not, you're about to discover why this city is a must-visit. Kinshasa is the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, a country with a rich history and a population of over 89 million people. First up, whirl through the colors and chaos of the Kinshasa market, a sensory overload you can't miss. Then, groove to the beats by catching a live Congolese music show where the rhythm hits you right in the soul. Got a taste for adventure? Paddle down the mighty Congo River and feel the pulse of this legendary waterway. The Congo River is central to the country's economy, providing vital resources and transportation routes. Don't forget to visit the Lola ya Bonobo Sanctuary, where playful bonobos will steal your heart. Feeling artistic? The Académie des Beaux-Arts showcases stunning local art that tells the story of Congo's rich culture. And as the sun sets, join a bustling street food tour, taste pili pili chicken and freshly grilled makemba. Before you leave, take a moment at the Kinshasa Cathedral to soak in the serene vibes. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a silverback gorilla adventure in the lush forests of Congo. Witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Adventure, culture, and unforgettable flavors. Kinshasa has it all. Are you ready to experience the wonder